Good day, guys. It's Bunte Lady here. So, welcome back to another episode of the this order block strategy. So, guys, if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe and share so that it can reach out to many people, so that the people that can learn. Don't be greedy with the information that you get because it's for free. I decided to take my time to record this, even if I'm busy with other things, but I just decided. People have been asking me that what is that thing that you do when you're looking in the market. So I just decided to make some time so that I can be able to share you or to share with you this knowledgeable or these insights. So on this episode, we're only going to be talking about entry types, the type of entries that you need to take or to look for into the market. So we've got two types of entries on this booklet, but like I said even before, if you don't understand anything, reach us out and then comment below and share and take that number on the description of this channel, then text that on WhatsApp and with your question. And guys, whenever you text us on that business chat, don't get into the hi, hello, how are you? Just mention your name, say my name is so and so, I got your number from this, and then this is the question that I would like to. We are here to make money, not to make friends. So make money first, then we can be friends. But other than that, we are here to help each other and make money. Get straight to the point, and I'll be pleased to help you as much as possible. So without wasting any time, let's quickly get into it. With this strategy, there are two main entry types we look for in order to execute trades. So far in this book, we have only learned one of them, which is what? The risk entry. The risk entry was the one that we need to minimize the risk as much as possible. Now that you have learned that one, now that you have been familiar understanding of the risk entry as an introduction to this strategy, it's time to learn about the confirmation entry. This is whereby now you're waiting for confirmation. Remember that one, the first one was to make sure that you minimize your entries, like you minimize the risk. That was the first one. The second one, this is whereby like now you make sure that confirmation, wait for confirmation. That's what we're going to be utilizing on this strategy, on this episode. Cool. Furthermore, let's continue. The risk entry is when we identify an order block, refine it, and then place a limit order at the desired level. This entry style can achieve great result, but overall has a lower win rate. But the confirmation entry tends to be much more successful because, as you may have guessed, we have added a layer of confirmation prior to our trade execution. See image below for an example of what confirmation entry looks like. Remember, look at this. Look at this now. Let's say, should I minimize this? Okay, cool. Let me minimize it like as far as possible. You see now. So as I minimize so that you can be able to understand or see it clearly. Let me do it again. So now, as you can see that the market structure has been going in an upward direction. After it went up in an upward direction, then it created like an impulse move, which is what the break of structure. This was your break of structure. It created what? An impulsive move. So once it created an impulsive move, now you mark your order block. You identified your order block and then you identified your impulsive candlestick that closed below this. Now after that, you wait for market to retrace back. So it's impulse and correction. You wait for it. Then after you waited, if you are afraid to enter with the risk entry, you wait for the confirmation, you wait for it, it will move a bit and then go back, and then once it breaks the structure, now this is whereby it gives you the confirmation. It has confirmed that now we're moving into the right direction, but you're going to be late into the market. Remember, the risk entry is the sniper entry. The confirmation is the one that just you are safe. This is the aggressive whereby you now with the low risk or low exposure of your money getting chowed over there. But with this one, with the lower time frame, you analyze this and then you go to lower time frame order block to confirm. You wait for confirmation, then you set up your orders, and then you enter. You get the point? So what is the confirmation entries? What is this type of entry? Remember the first one, it was what? The risk entry. Now this is the confirmation entries. The concept of the confirmation entry is simple. After locating, this is what's going to happen. After locating the higher time frame order block, we patiently wait for price to enter that zone. If price varies the order block, then we have just avoided an unnecessary loss. If price begins to reject the order block, that means we can drop to a lower time frame. For example, then you can drop to 15 minute, 5 minute to 1 hour. Remember, you have analyzed from daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. If the order block is being violated, then now you can drop to what? To a lower time frame move, which is what? A 15 minute. Let me drink water. Okay, excuse me, guys. I was just quenching my thirst. So 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, and then after that, you go straight and then to locate what? A break of structure and the order block responsible for it. After the higher time frame order block has been confirmed valid, we can set a limit order at our lower time frame order block. Remember, whatever that happens with the lower time frames, it started from what? The bigger time frame. So the bigger time frame has got a high probability confirmation. So when it confirms that, then you drop down to lower time frames to go and seek or to look for entry levels in this confirmation entries. Remember, whenever I believe that majority of you have heard people say like, yeah, I'm waiting for confirmation. Yeah, I'm waiting for confirmation. Wait, don't enter now. We're still waiting for the confirmation candlestick. We're still waiting for this and that. What we basically mean about the confirmation is whereby like you locate like your entries at the lower time frames. You seek for confirmation, and that's when you know that you're going to execute your trades. Okay, let's walk through a real trade example to better understand how confirmation entries work. In this example, our higher time frame order block is located on the 30 minutes time frame. Price has entered the order block zone, which means we can now utilize a lower time frame and wait for a proper break of structure confirmation. Remember, we all have our own differences. Some people, they might feel like the daily or the 4 hour, the 1 hour time frame is way too big for them. They're looking for quick cash. This is where they're going for lower time frames, but it's not necessarily that it's a bad idea, but you must confirm with the higher time frames to be able to have a strong understanding of where your market is likely to go, right? So right now we're going to be going to a lower time frame to go and look for the entries, for the confirmation of the entry. We're going to make sure that once we are done with that one, now we can talk about any other thing. So guys, before we go to confirm the entries, we need to make sure that you press that subscribe button and the like button, and then you share. I'm gonna give you like some time off to just quickly do that. Do that now while you're still watching this. Just press that. You see that red cycle that is written subscribe. Click that because you might forget at the end of it. Thank you. Let's continue.